afternoon, my friend. My name is Nika Noviani. I'm from level 1 group 12. I would like to describe my younger brother. His name is Koma. He is medium height. He is average. He has oval face. He has brown skin. He has short black hair. He has black eyes and small eyes. He has thick egg brown and cassia nuts. He has mole on his right cheek, and he is kind, friendly, and relaxed. That all about my family. My younger brother. Thank you.